We're looking at example 13 and 14 from your textbook, talking about the change of base rule. So example 13, page 417. Find the value of log base 3 of 20 to 3 significant figures in base 10 and also in base E. Okay, so let's get our calculator. It's right here. Now our graphing calculators, these TI Inspire, they actually will do different bases. Okay, as you probably know, we can use our log button. Okay, the log button is control and log, well, 10 to the power of x. Okay, so we can do that. And it will allow us to put in a base here. So I could say, let's just do this, base 3 of 20. Okay, so I've done that. Base 3, wait, can you see that there? Oh, there it is, log base 3 of 20, and it equals 2.727. If we, 3 significant figures, 2.73. Okay, so let's just mark that up here. We could poke this in our calculator, we get 2.73. Okay. Now, let's change it to base 10, see what happens. Okay, so using our change of base rule, log base 3 of 20 can be equal to, let's change it to base 10. So we will have a log base 10 on top in our numerator, a log base 10 on the bottom in our denominator. And 20, the argument will be 20 here, and the argument will be 3 down here, okay? Now base 10, we don't even have to write 10, do we? We could just say log 20 divided by log 3. Now, I want to just point out something super important. This is not the same as log 20 over 3. This is not the same, okay? We have log 20 divided by log 3. So just keep in mind that those are two different things. So we could then put that in our calculator. We can say log, don't fill in the base, it'll automatically say say base 10, divided by log, don't fill in the base, equals. And we get the exact same answer, 2.73. So that's good. All right, we could also change it to base E. We can change it to any base we want, but the two most common bases used in everyday use is base 10 and base E. Okay, so let's change it to base E. Log base 3 of 20 could also be log base E of 20 divided by log base E of 3. Now we have special notation for this, so we could say ln 20 divided by ln 3. And again, this is very different from log base E of 20 divided by 3. Okay. All right, let's poke this in our calculator, see if we get the exact same answer again. Now on our calculator, we actually have a base E, okay, button, and the control of this, if we do control and then use this button, will give us a log base E, a ln. Okay, so ln 20 divided by ln 3 equals, and we get the exact same number again. Okay, so please do that with your own calculators because you want to make sure that you know the keystrokes on your calculator to use. All right, example 14. If log base 4 of 7 is P and log base 4 of 9 is Q, find log base 7 of 9. Okay, well, we can see some common numbers here. We've got 9 here as an argument of this base 4, okay? And we've got 7 here, and 7's also an argument of this base 4. So it looks like we're probably using the change of base rule here. Okay, so we're gonna say, start with log base 7 of 9, that's how we say it. Let's use the change of base rule. We want base 4 here. So log base 4 of 9 divided by log base 4 of 7. And up here, log base 4 of 9 is equal to q, so we can replace that by q. Log base 4 of 7 is p, so we can replace that by p. Okay, so change of base rate.